Now find the image of the point 1 to 1 in the plane x plus 2y plus 4z equal 38. Suppose it is given plane. X plus 2y plus 4z equal 38 and it is point. Let the image of point P in the plane is given by P dash whose coordinate are x2, y2, z2. Firstly, we have to find the foot of perpendicular from point P to the plane. Let its coordinate is m. Let image of point P is point x2, y2, z2 and PM is perpendicular to plane. Equation of plane x plus 2y plus 4z equal 38. Since PM is perpendicular to the plane and normal vector is also perpendicular to the plane, then since PM and plane both are perpendicular to the plane, then PM is perpendicular and it is also perpendicular, means PM and n vector are parallel. No, that is direction ratio of PM are proportional to direction ratio of direction ratio of normal to the plane are given by 1, 2, 4. One to four. 1 comma 2 comma 4. Now if we want to find the equation of PM, then we have 1.121 means x1 y1 z1 and its direction ratio means 1 to 4. Then equation of line passing through a point x1 y1 z1 having direction ratio a b c are x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. Then equation of PM is x minus x1, x1 is 1 by a means 1, y minus y1 is 2 and b direction ratio which is 2 and z minus z1 is 3 and c which is 4. Any point lie on PM is in the form lambda plus 1 comma 2 lambda plus 2 4 lambda plus 3. Let it is coordinate of point M for some value of lambda and coordinate of M since point M lie on the given plane, M x plus 2y plus 4z equal 38, then this point must satisfy this plane, means we have lambda plus 1 2 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda plus 3 equal 38. It is lambda plus 1 4 lambda plus 2 and 16 lambda plus 12 equal 38. Then 21 lambda equal 38 minus 15 lambda equal 23 by 21 lambda plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 okay 12 to 14 15 16 4 20 21. Then point M is given by lambda plus 1 means 23 by 21 plus 1 comma 2 lambda plus 1 comma 4 lambda plus 3. Then coordinate of point M (44 by 21 comma 67 by 21 comma 155 by 21, and it is coordinate of point M. Since M is the midpoint of PP dash, of PP dash, then x equal x1 plus x2 by 2. The value of x is 44 by 21. The value of x1 is 1 plus x2 unknown by 2. We get x2 equal 4488 by 21 minus 1, and x2 equal 67 by 21. Y equal y1 plus y2 by 2. Value of y is 67 by 21. Y1 is 2, y2 unknown equal to, then it is equal to 92 by 21. Sorry, it is y2, and z2 equal z1 plus z2 by 2. Value of z is 155 by 21. z1 is 3 plus z2 is unknown by 2. Then it is z2, and it is coordinate of x2 y2 z2. Then image is given by points x2 67 by 21 comma 92 by 21 comma 247 by 21.